Hello everyone, in this Power BI lecture, we will start a new module called Data Security in Power BI. In this module, we will discuss about four security level, that is row level security, column level security, table level security, and object level security. So let's first understand what is data security. Data security in Power BI is one of the most critical factor in the organization. Data and informations are the most important, so we cannot give access to the untrusted people. So it is necessary to divide your data into distinct roles and groups. When we share data sets or reports to the user, they can access the data and report based on the security levels such as row level security, table level security, and the object level security. Till now, you have an idea about what are the different type security I have discussed. So these are the various security levels which we are going to cover in this module. So our first is the row level security. This security grants access to the rows based on the user roles, enabling data restriction through row level filter across multiple tables. And the second is the column level security. This will restrict users to access the specific columns based on the roles. And third is the table level security. This will restrict access to the entire table based on the permission by removing them from the Power BI model. Object level security. This security allows model authors to secure tables and columns from report viewers, preventing access to both the data and confidential objects like financial or employee models. In Power BI service, all metadata included object level security, which is exposed while objects remain secure in the caching layer. So this is what the different types of security. If you want to learn more about the security, these three types of column level security and the table level security and the object level security, these are not predefined in Power BI. You have to load some external tools to your Power BI and you can use this you can create this security in your for your data model. So that's all for today. We will see you on next video. There we will check out about the row level security and how we can create a row level security so that users can access the data they didn't access, the data those are not for them. Thank you so much.